Hi, in this demo I'll be showcasing the manufacturing module in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which we have altered to align with our quality module process. The planning schedule starts from the sales order page. To create the planning lines, we click on the planning schedule lines. This opens the planning schedule page. From here, clicking on planning triggers the system to generate the batches based on the production BOM tagged to the item. Once batches are generated, we create a production order. The production order will be of firm plan production order type. This steps helps in identifying the material shortages in the system. After addressing the shortages, we convert the firm plan order into a release production plan, allowing us to proceed with the production. At this stage, the warehouse team transfers all the necessary materials to the production location by creating a material issue. This ensures that production can begin without any material constraints. Once the production is completed, the user will need to post the production journal, which will eventually update the consumption entries and also declare the output. This step ensures that the production data is accurately reflected in the system. The production journal has been posted successfully, and on the release production order, you can see that the finished quantity has been updated on the line level. This concludes the demo of how our customized manufacturing module integrates seamlessly with our quality process in the Business Central. Thank you for watching.